assault my boyfriend.
No, you can have a seat.
Please, stop being a bitch to me. You can have a seat.
On October 4th, 2023, deputies in Hillsborough County, Florida, spotted a sedan traveling well above the speed limit. When they activated their emergency lights, the driver didn't pull over immediately and had to be instructed several times over the loudspeaker. This raised concerns that the driver might be impaired or unable to operate the vehicle safely.
Yes. All right, Danielle, first things first, can I ask you to put this away because this belongs to your friend? I'll also have to ask you to shut off the vehicle and step out and speak to me. Alright, so real quick, you know, it is a bit of a concern when you're telling us that you were over at the bar.
I know.
And then, of course, I can smell the alcohol on your breath. You're a little bit slow and you kept on driving. I'm sure I pulled up behind you. I had to tell you to stop over the loudspeaker. So at this time, I do have to read you something real quick before I proceed any further. Now, just because I read this doesn't mean you're in trouble or anything. It's just a formality that I have to do. Again, I'm Deputy Wynn, badge number 875. I have to ask you specifics for possibly drinking and driving. These are your rights. You have the right to remain silent, and anything you say may be used as evidence against you. You have the right to talk to an attorney and have him or her with you now or at any time during questioning. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed to represent you. If at any time you wish to stop talking or have an attorney present, all questioning will be stopped at your request. Do you understand these rights? Again, just a formality so that I can talk to you further in regards to this. So, what did you have to drink over at Hooligans?
I had a couple glasses of wine.
Okay. Do you normally go to Hooligans?
No, never. But my kids were kidnapped from me.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Back in January. And I don't even know what to do at this point.
Understood.
They were kidnapped from my ex-husband.
So you had a little bit of a child custody issue with you and your kids?
Yeah.
Alright.
And I'm just like trying to get through it, and then Sunday is Easter. I've never been without them on Easter. Never ever have I been without them on Easter.
Understood. Well, again, this is still a big concern of us, so would you be willing to participate in field sobriety exercises?
I mean, sure, I don't know if I'll pass it, but, you know.
I got you.
I just...
Alright, well, let's head on over here and get this out of the way. You may relax. When I tell you to begin, you'll take 9 heel-to-toe steps on the line. They'll look like this. 1, 2, 3, so on and so forth. To turn around, keep 1 foot on the line and make smaller turning circles.
After 9, you want me to turn around?
To turn around, keep 1 foot on the line and take 9 return steps. Can you return to the starting position, please? Keep your arms at your side at all times. Watch your feet and count each step out loud. Once walking begins, do not stop until you've completed the test. Do you understand the instructions? Danielle, do you understand the instructions?
I don't want to do this.
I understand, Danielle. Just be advised that if you refuse to take the SSFEs, the field sobriety, then a decision to arrest you may have to be made with what I have so far. Do you understand? I'm going to start from the beginning, okay? Place your left foot on the line. Place your right foot on the line ahead of your left.
Okay.
With the heel of your right foot against the toe of your left. Keep your arms at your side, like this. Do not start until I tell you to do so. Do you understand?
Yes.
When I tell you to begin, take 9 heel-to-toe steps on the line. It'll look like this. 1, 2, 3, so on and so forth. When you get to number 9, to turn around, keep your left foot on the line. Take several steps to turn around. When you turn on the 9th step, keep your front foot on the line. Take several small steps with the other foot. Take 9 heel-to-toe steps back down the line. So 1, 2, 3, so on and so forth. Do you understand? Do you understand? Okay. You may begin. Alright, go and relax. The next exercise we're going to do is called the one-leg stand.
Listen, I'm not a bad person. Like
I understand.
I don't know what to tell you guys. My kids were kidnapped away from me, and I just don't know what to do anymore. Like
I understand, Danielle. That's not why we're here tonight. Do you understand the instructions? You may begin.
1001, 1002, 1003, 1004. Like, I can't even do that if I'm not drinking. Like, I can't even do that.
Understood. Then tell you what, we'll
I'm not.
we'll go
like,
to the next one.
I'm
We'll
not,
go to the next
I'm
one.
not like
All right?
a balanced person.
If you can't do it, then we'll just go to the next one, okay? The next one's called finger to nose. Bring the hand eye direct upwards, touching the tip of your finger to the tip of your nose.
What? I don't understand that. Like,
When I tell you to, bring the hand eye direct upwards, touching the tip of your finger to the tip of your nose. After touching your nose, immediately bring your hand down to your side. So it'll look like this. I'll tell your right hand, right. Do you understand? So go ahead, we're going to begin. Close your eyes, tilt your head back. Danielle, do you wish to continue?
yes, hold on, let's say it.
Okay.
Listen, I can't do this. Like, my kids are taken away from me.
Do you refuse to participate in field sobriety then?
No. I don't refuse.
Okay.
But I just need a moment.
I understood. Not to pressure you, but I'm ready when you are. Do you remember the starting position? Would you like me to read you the instructions again? Please stand with your feet together, arms at your side, and your index fingers pointed outwards. Do not start until I tell you to do so. Do you understand the instructions so far?
I guess.
When I tell you to start, close both eyes and tilt your head back. When I tell you to, bring the hand eye direct upwards, touching the tip of your finger to the tip of your nose.
That's the stupidest freaking shit I've ever heard. Like, what are you even
I'm
saying?
I'm reading it straight off the instructions. Do you understand the instructions so far? Alright, Danielle, one more time. Do you wish to participate in this? If you do not wish to participate, then I will take that as a refusal.
What does that even mean?
So that means you are refusing to participate in this exercise.
And then what?
Then
Go to jail?
Then a decision for your arrest will have to be made with the information that I have.
I just want to go home. Like, my kids were taken away from me, like, over 2 months ago. And I don't even know what to do anymore at this point. Like, I can't even get them back.
I understand, but that's going to be a matter that will have to be solved in civil courts. Understood?
I know that. I have a lawyer, I have all this stuff, but sometimes I just have to, like, get away from, like freaking space.
I understand that, Danielle. There's a reason why we're here at the side of the road.
You don't understand. You don't know. Do you have kids? Imagine if your kids were taken away from you.
Imagine at 65 miles an hour you run into a kid and end their life instantly. Then their kids are taken away from their parents permanently. At this
That
time,
would never happen.
you are placed under arrest. Turn around, place your hands behind your back.
Can I call my husband, my boyfriend? Can I call him, please?
We're going to call the owner of the vehicle. So that way, hopefully... Alright, never mind.
Can I call my boyfriend, please?
At the jail.
Can I please call my boyfriend on my phone?
At the jail.
I don't want to be out close to the road like that. That's weird. Stop.
This vehicle, do you have anything on you? Some poke me, prod me, stick me, cut me, anything else? If you take anything additional into a facility, it's an additional charge at a felony level. Do you understand?
Yeah,
I want to make sure you don't have anything illegal on you.
No.
Okay.
Like,
So I'm going to pat you down.
Okay.
Stand still.
Please, no, I've never been arrested.
Danielle, listen to my
so
instructions.
weird. This is so weird. Like, just please. I've never been arrested before. I've never gone this like.
Have a seat. Have a seat.
Can you please call my boyfriend?
No, you can have a seat.
Please. Stop being a bitch to me. You fucking bitch.
Have a seat. You. Watch your head.
Danielle was arrested for DUI. The charge was later reduced to reckless driving. She received 12 months of probation and was ordered to pay more than $11,000 in fines. A night that began with a simple speeding violation turned into a legal nightmare because of intoxication and a complete loss of emotional control.